The first thing I heard was a ragged, desperate breath echoing from the other side of the locked door. The room had been sealed for years, the key long lost, no windows, just crumbling walls and silence. Yet each night the breathing grew louder, more frantic, as if something was suffocating. Tonight, I pressed my ear against the wood, heart pounding, and whispered, "Who's there?" The breathing stopped. Then, from behind me, a cold whisper replied, "You left me in there." I spun around, but the corridor was empty. The door behind me began to breathe.